Well, welcome outside. If you're like me and you've ever done any gardening trying to plant plants, sometimes you're a little too aggressive with the shovel and you go right through a sprinkler line. Well, here's the deal. You don't need to pay the sprinkler guy 50 bucks to come over and do a simple, quick fix. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you that this is actually a 99-cent fix. To fix a sprinkler line, all you need is one coupler. A snips will make life easier. Buy these new, this is gonna be about $15, but this is one of those tools that if you have a sprinkler system or ever work with PVC pipe, this is just handy to have. So many of you might already have this, or maybe ask your neighbor. They might have one you can borrow real quick. The other two things you're gonna need are purple primer and PVC glue. These will come in a 2-pack. These cost about $10. And this is something that this will last for literally years. So you can buy one of these and 5 years later, if you happen to break another sprinkler line, you'll still probably be able to use this. Basically, you can use it until the glue dries up. I got the clock ready to show you literally on a timer how long it takes to do one simple sprinkler repair. Let's get to it. First things first, let's dig back the line, not get my big bald head in the picture. I'm pretty lucky here. This is the end of the line for this sprinkler, but if it wasn't, it's also still an easy fix. You just need to dig back far enough where you can actually work with the PVC pipe and move it a little bit. We're gonna get in here, cut the line nice and close. We're also going to try and make sure that line gets cleared out as best as possible. Dirt's not your friend. We're going to make one more cut to make sure we have something even to work with. And that's it. Next, we're going to take the purple primer. You want to make sure, look what I just did there. Can you believe that? All right, this purple primer is great stuff. It will clean your PVC and, more importantly, help create a good bond. You want to add primer on the outside and the inside of your coupler, anything where the cement is going to make a bond. Once that's done, we will add some cement here on one side. Gonna push that in, and we're gonna give it a twist. And that's it. In about 15 seconds, this is going to be rock hard. In about 15 minutes, it's actually, at that point, pretty much waterproof, and this will fully cure within 2 hours. So if you need to get your sprinkler line on that day, it's not a problem to do it in the same day. There we go. Last but not least, get it on the side, work it in, give it a little twist, make sure we're lined up, and that's it. We're done. Again, this costs 99 cents, so it is a quick and easy fix that you can do yourself. And again, if you've never purchased these items, I would highly recommend having them somewhere in storage in your garage. If you need additional pipe, pipe is cheap too. The biggest expense is going to be the tool, which, like I say, you can use a hacksaw, but this just makes life quick and easy. That's it. Like I say, in the next 2 hours, I'll be able to run this sprinkler and we are good to go.